2011 to 2015 Dodge Durango 3.6 liter. What's up, everybody? I'm going to be replacing the Evap Purge hose right here. This hose right here. Basically, mine was broken. Someone epoxied it together. I have a Dodge Durango all-wheel drive. It's the Flex Fuel. And then, like I said, it has the 3.6 liter. So if yours looks like this, then here's the video for you. This line goes all the way to the other side of the engine bay. It connects to a hose down on the bottom, and then it just has like a stopping part right here. So here's the new hose. This is an OEM hose. They sell this on Amazon. Here's the part number. I will link it below. It comes with new clips and everything you need. So, like I said, this is on Amazon. It's 42 bucks. They had cheaper ones that were like $5 cheaper that were aftermarket, but I highly recommend going OEM because you get all the clips and stuff, and you're going to need them. So take your engine cover off. You can just wiggle this and pull this straight upwards and move it to the side. Here's the hose. It's got these little guide clips that kind of like connect it to the wire harnesses. So all you got to do is just kind of open these up and push them off. It's not too hard to do. There's two of them. There's one right here. And then there's one down here. Just kind of expand the C-clip and just push it off the wire harness. Try not to beat your wire harness up too much. Alright, so I got those off. Now over here on the end piece, there's just like a push pin on here. I just kind of use like a little clip tool to push it off of there like that. So now that's free. And then you might need like a small flathead, but we're going to get this red clip off this part right here. This is the locking clip. So you're going to very gently unlock the sides of it, like lift up the sides of it and then push it outwards. I recommend getting the electrical connector off first. You just squeeze the little thumb tab button on there and pull it backwards. Don't pull it by the wires. And then we're just going to work and get this little red locking clip off right here. Just going to push this guy back like that. And then you could just take the whole red clip out. And then what's supposed to happen is after you do the locking clip out, you're supposed to be able to push the other side, the little button, and then it should be able to release on whatever it's connected to. But these get so old and brittle so quick that they don't work anymore. So you could try to do it. Hopefully yours will do that. It'll like compress and you could just slide the hose off. But more than likely it's going to be brittle and hard, and you're going to have to just manually remove it. So let's get this red clip off right here. Try to be gentle with it, especially if you're going aftermarket. And then I just manually remove these white clips. You can just kind of lift them up and push them out. They're going to break, but it's whatever because the new hose comes with new clips, so it's all good. You can just break them out. And then just slide this guy off the purge valve like that. And then you got my connector disconnected. And then obviously have the car off when you're doing this. Don't let the battery be on. Okay, so this is pretty loose. Now we got to go to the down here in the corner and get that off. Now same kind of thing down there that has a red locking clip. You're going to this one you have to keep because there's not a replacement. So or there's not one that comes with the new hose. So very gently remove the red locking tab. Try your best not to break it. And then once you get that out, you should be able to push the black button down and then lift this hose out of there. It's going to be stubborn, it's going to be kind of tight, but the black buttons usually aren't as brittle as the white ones. So, and then just snake this guy out of here once you get this off. Just kind of be patient and snake it out. Here's what it looks like. And then we got to move this stopper to the new hose as well. If you don't, you're going to have Evap check engine light codes and all that. So don't push the red clips in on your new hose yet. We're going to switch this little stopper out. Just push the black button right here after you get the red clip out. And then lift this out like that. And then we're going to put this into the new one. Push it down all the way, and then we'll push the red clip in to lock it into place. You push it in all the way, and you want to make sure everything's tight and good because otherwise you'll have an evap leak and it'll throw your check engine light. So push that clip on there good, and then if your old hose you still have it, you could use the old red one if you need to, as like if you break another one on accident, you know. Anyways, so we're gonna snake this in, and then we're gonna put this part in first right here. What I do is I push this all the way down into the hole. Make sure everything's lined up properly or else it won't want to go into the hole properly. Once you get that kind of snapped in place, we're going to come in here and put in our red clip. And then we'll push this onto the stud on the right side of the engine bay. That should be all secure. And then here's the red clip here. that I was talking about, go ahead and just line this up and put it into here like that. You have to make sure it's facing upwards though. And then we'll push our purge valve on. Push our purge valve hose on right here on this side. Push it in all the way and then push your red clip down to lock it. And then we'll reconnect our connector right here. Push it in right there. And then we're just going to put the hose guides back in on over the wire harnesses. I highly recommend you don't skip that spot. And that's basically it, guys. All done. Alright guys, that's all the information I got for you. The rest of the video is just some products and other stuff I got going on. Totally up to you if you want to stick around. I got a 15% off AUXITO.com promo code. Now AUXITO has a bunch of products, but what they're mostly known for is their really good aftermarket headlights. So if you got an older car, 80s, 90s, 2000s, even a newer car, if it has a bulb, they probably got an upgraded bulb for you. You may have seen aftermarket LED headlights on Amazon, but the thing, I'm not going to say any names, but the thing is, they have a lot of issues. Sometimes they start to flicker after a few months, or they get hot and the LED burns off. AUXITO headlights come with integrated fans and modules that control all that stuff. So these are plug and play, super easy to put in. These are available on Amazon. You can get them there. However, if you go to the website and use the promo code GearmoAuto, you can get 15% off. It's really easy. All you gotta do is go to the website on your phone or your computer and then put in what kind of car you have, what year, make and model, you know, that stuff, and then it'll display to you all the available lights for your vehicle. You can get headlights, tail lights, interior lights. Highly recommend getting some good interior lights. You'll be surprised how bright it is. So just type GearmoAuto in at the checkout and you'll get 15% off.